What's up, guys? Bad Bass and Adventures here. We're at Lake Austin. Look at that bridge. And it's about 30 degrees. Got my dad with me today. We got the bass boat. I've got some big swim baits. We've got the other baits. We're going after them. Stay tuned. We're gonna smash on some big bass. All right, guys. Got the boat in the slip here. Got her warming up. Like I said, it's 30 degrees. Let's go find some fish. I've never fished this far on down Lake Austin, so it's gonna be a new experience, totally new places. Let's get it. Yeah,
I just want to try letting it sit on the bottom for a little bit.
yeah. No, bound to catch a fish like that. If you don't catch a fish like that, there's something wrong.
I know you like to catch everything on the lure.
Not catfish. Can't catch catfish typically unless it's on accident with
You can catch those channel cats.
Yeah,
But
that's what I said on accident. Oh, got a big one.
Do you?
Yep.
Yeah, you do.
Get the net, Dad. Get the net. It's right there. It's right there at your feet. Dad, it's at your feet. Oh, I'm flipping. Yeah! What's up? On the S waver. Oh, I just boat flipped a freaking 5 or 6 pounder, guys. Yeah! What's up? Big baits, baby. Woo! Let's get us the S waver.
Oh man, it's all tangled up in here.
Get it.
Well, I want to measure the length of that, baby.
Woo! Look at that, boys. That's he's a little light. He was in the when he's a little bit heavier, he's bigger, but that's not a bad fish, dude. The S waver, the 168. Oh my gosh!
Oh my God!
He smoked it so hard, bro.
Ouch.
Right as I said, let's get out of here.
Spit it right out.
I flipped him. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I boat flipped that big boy.
And you spit it out just as you.
After I flipped him.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they lose tension.
Yeah.
You lose tension. That's why I was like, man, I gotta look at that, guys. What's up? That's a good bass right there. Look at that, guys. All right, I gotta change batteries on these GoPros. They're all dying. Okay. I'm gonna put him in the live one. We'll get some pictures of him, guys. Woo! You got that bait out yet?
No, I don't, son. It's coming out hard. Because it's really down in there. There we go. I got it. All
right, guys. Just weighed this bass. He's only 4.5. He's a little thinned out, but he is a big bass. Caught him on the 160 S waver by River to Sea. He came up and just inhaled this bait. This is a 7-inch bait, and he smoked it. We're gonna put him in the box. We'll keep him for a little bit, see if we can get a few more. See how big of a limit we can get today. Let's get back to fishing. You see that?
Yeah.
There's the other dam.
Yeah, let's go down there and fish.
All right. Dude, fucking hook a monster catfish? Yeah. Cold-blooded. All right, guys, we're not giving up. We're gonna keep fishing at least another hour and see if we can pull in another good fish, guys. Hang in there. Some hardcore bags in this. Look, hang on, Dad. Hey, get ready. What? The fucking swells. Holy shit.
I'm glad you
Fucking dickheads. Yeah. I was riding the wave right there, dude. Alright guys, today was a real tough day. We only managed to land one guy, really only had one good bite. Had one okay catfish on the line, definitely probably a big one, but didn't ever manage to make it up. But I'm gonna let this big girl go. I'll get one more look at it.
Nice one.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna let her go. So let her grow to be a 10-pounder someday, hopefully. She's ready. Later.
There it goes. It went straight back and over on that side.
Alright guys, it was definitely a slow but interesting day. Hope you all enjoyed the little bit of content I managed to make happen today. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bad Bassin' out.